Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to get onto Microsoft Teams using Office 365. So you can do this on either your school computer or your home computer. The steps are still the same. So the first thing that you have to do, you have to open up an internet browser. This could be Google Chrome, this could be Firefox, could be Edge. It really doesn't matter. It all depends on what's comfortable for you to use. So for me, personally, it's easier for me to use Google Chrome. That's what I'm going to use today is Google Chrome. So I'm going to open up a Google Chrome internet browser. Right? And because I'm on my school computer, the first thing that pops up is the Kent School District homepage. Now, if you're on your personal laptops, something else is going to pop up. You just have to make sure that in the address bar at the top, it says Kent, K-E-N-T, period, K12, period, W-A, W-A, period, U-S. So in the address bar at the top of your internet browser, it has to say Kent, period, K12, period, W-A, period, U-S, right? And then you would click the enter button. Once your internet browser loads and you see the Kent homepage, right here towards the top on the right-hand side, it says Office 365. You want to make sure and left click on this link. A new tab is going to open up and it's going to ask you to sign in. Now, I've logged into Office 365 before, so it recognizes me. You guys probably haven't. So before you freak out, it's going to ask for your email address. And yes, you guys do have an email address like any other Kent student does. So yours is going to be your SN and your 6-digit number. This is the same number that you use to log into the computer. And you're going to put the little @ symbol and period K12, period W, period U-S. That is your username for Office 365 is SN. And yes, you have to type SN. The 6 numbers at Kent, period K12, period W, period U-S. And you're going to click the next button. Okay? The next page that's going to come up is that it's going to ask you for your password. This is the same password that you use to log into your computer. So it's just your 6-digit number. No SN, no special figures. It's just the number. It's the same password that you use to get onto the computer is your password. Okay? So I'm going to put in my email address. And because it recognizes me, it's not going to ask me for my password. Once this dashboard or this main screen opens on Office 365, there's 2 different ways to get to Teams. First, Teams is going to pop up right here at the start. It's going to say Teams on there. It's going to be purple with a white T. Now, if you don't see Teams on this homepage, don't freak out again. Go to All Apps, and all of the apps are in alphabetical order, thank goodness. Find T for Teams. There it is. And then you're going to left click on Teams and your Teams is going to open. Okay. Now, I am part of several different teams, so mine is going to look different than your guys's, okay? Your guys, though, are going to have just our classroom teams and then the PE team. So it's going to say your teacher name and then the year for one team. And some of you may have the team from Miss English, which is going to say PE, 3rd, and then, you know, your classroom teacher. All right. If you see any other teams on there, please make sure and let your teacher know so that we can get those taken care of. But for you guys, you really should just see 1 or 2, either your classes or you should see Miss English. Yep. So I see our classroom team right here. I'm going to left click on it. And there we go. And now I'm in our Microsoft Teams using the web browser version of Teams. And as you can see, somebody's already posted a comment or 2. You guys can kind of take a look to see what I've been doing. And yeah, I've been playing with Teams and figuring it out. So if you want, you can start a conversation down here and say hi or ask a question, just fine. This is also the page where when I start my meeting or a class, in the upper right-hand corner, right here under Kent School District, it's going to say Join Meeting, and it's going to be a purple button. That's the button that you're going to click to join our meeting or to go into the class, and then you can see me and see our class. All right, so that is how you get onto the web browser version of Teams. Now, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to download the Teams app through this web browser. So hopefully you guys are able to see this Teams. If something happens and you're just not understanding it, please make sure to email your teacher. And thanks, guys. Hope you had fun.